Good morning, dear kids. Today we are going to start with another chapter, chapter 4, that is more on LibreOffice Writer. I'm again repeating, more on LibreOffice Writer. Many times we pronounce it as LibreOffice Writer. Liber is the wrong pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is Libre. It's LibreOffice Writer. Now let's learn what is LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional look. It provides us features to type and modify the text. Remember students, LibreOffice Writer provides us feature to type as well as to modify text. Modify means where we can make changes in the text. We can edit the text or we can delete the text. Let's now learn about finding and replacing the text. Find option is used to find a particular word within a paragraph. I'm again telling, find option is used to find a particular word within a paragraph. Replace option is used to find a particular word and replace it with a new word. Replace option is used to find a particular word and replace it with a new word. I hope students finding and replacing the text meaning is clear to you. Dear students, let's see now how this find and replace option works in LibreOffice Writer. Just have a look. LibreOffice Writer by simply typing writer. LibreOffice Writer screen has appeared in front of us. Right now, nothing has been written here, means no text is available. To bring a dummy text on this page, I'll simply type D, T for dog. I'm again repeating D, then T, T for tiger. And after this, we have to press F3 function key. Students, I'm again repeating, I have to press function key F3, F3. That is available on the topmost row of keyboard. Now as I have pressed F3, you can see that a dummy paragraph has appeared in front of me. Now to use the option find and replace, I'll first bring the cursor at the beginning of the document. Now to use find and replace option, I'll go to edit menu. Find and replace option is available in edit menu. Remember it students that find and replace option is available in edit menu. Here after clicking on edit menu, I can see here find and replace option. The shortcut key for using find and replace is Ctrl+H. You can also open find and replace dialog box using Ctrl+H, or you can open find and replace dialog box using edit menu also. Now just click on this option. You can see that find and replace dialog box has appeared in front of me. Now here is find. What do I want to find? Suppose I want to find a word him. I want to find a word him. Now here are certain buttons that are available in front of me. I want to find all the him that is or that are available in the paragraph. So I'm just clicking on find all. Now this option has marked or highlighted all the hymn that are available in the paragraph. Now students, see, here we are also available with one option, that is match case. The name of option is match case. This match case option matches lowercase letter with lowercase and uppercase letter with uppercase. Right now this option is unchecked. So writer has ignored matching of lowercase and uppercase letter. As I check this option, writer will match for lowercase to lowercase and uppercase to uppercase. Now as I can see, there is no hymn that is written in capital letter in this paragraph. So according to me, computer should not find nothing. Computer or writer here should not find anything. Now let me click on find all to show you. See, nothing has been highlighted. It means because the matching of letter has been done and writer has not found any hymn that is written in capital letters. Let's ignore it and uncheck the option match case. Again, let's find all the hymn. See, writer has identified 4 hymn in front of us. Now the second option is replace. This hymn should be replaced by which word? Here you have to write a word with which you want him to be replaced. I want that him should be replaced by her. Make sure students that I have typed her in capital letters so that you can easily identify the place where changes have taken place. Let's replace. We are available with 2 replace buttons. One is replace. Simply clicking on replace button will only make one replacement. I'm again repeating, if you will click on replace button, it will only make one replacement. Again you will click on replace, it will make second replacement, and so on. This cycle will go until all the replacements took place. But if I click on replace all the hymn that are available in the paragraph will be replaced by her. Let's see a demo. Now you can see that 4 hymn have been replaced by her. See, I'm just highlighting it for you, the 4 places where him has been changed to her. You can see that her is available in capital letter just because I write it in capital letter. Now this is how we can use the option find and replace in writer. After using this option, just click on close button and simply close the writer by clicking on close button. If you want to save it, click on save. If you don't want to save these changes, just click on don't.